So, moving on, making things a little bit more challenging. Tucking the tailbone under, sliding the shoulder blades down the back of the body. Okay, we can take a leg up, pointing, reaching up to the ceiling. Okay, same thing. Taking the leg out to the side, squeezing your core, bringing the leg back in. So again, working in fives. It's all about quality, control of the movement, rather than the quantity. Okay, so again, we can do that on both sides. Up to 5. Okay, we can add the arms. Again, you can add a small weight. So again, opposites. Left leg, right arm for 5. Right leg, left arm for 5. Okay. Okay, taking the right leg at an angle, so your lower leg is 90 degrees. Tucking the tummy in and just bringing the leg down, toe touches the floor, squeezing, drawing back up. Okay, nice and slowly. Okay, so what we're aiming to do here is, as you feel the leg go down, if you feel the low back trying to arch, you lose integrity through there, that's far enough. Come straight back up. Okay? So we're aiming to mobilise the hips a bit more, but keeping a stable middle. Okay, so again, you can just play with 5 on each leg. Good. Okay, progressing on again, especially trying to get that low L5 joint. Lower legs at 90 degrees angle, bring the thighs in a little bit, tucking the tailbone under, squeezing in through your middle, and you're just taking it to a point you feel is your limit, and then just back off your limit and just hold it there. And we're going to go for endurance here, so you're going to go for maybe 15 seconds and then building up. You're going to build up till you can eventually stay here for at least a minute fairly happily. Once you've built up your endurance, you're going to challenge yourself a bit further and take the legs to more upright position, so the thighs are vertical, lower legs at 90. And again, just building up the endurance. Okay. Okay, to work on these deep core muscles, there's a deep muscle that runs just in front of the spine and attaches to the hips. It can often be a player in back pain. We're going to straighten a leg and just gently lift and lower the whole of the leg from the hips. The leg's going to be so low, the heel's banging the floor. It's only about a centimetre off the floor. Take the whole leg left to right again, just in a small range. And then the lower leg, whole of the leg turning outwards, whole of the leg turning inwards. Nice and low to the floor. Okay, drawing the leg back in, same with the opposite leg. So very small range of movements up and down, moving from the hip close to the floor. Small movements side to side, left to right. Small movements, whole of the leg turning out, whole of the leg turning in. And drawing back in. Okay, gently draw the knees towards the chest. Just take hold of one knee. Take the foot to the floor. Slide the leg straight. The leg can rest on the floor. Reaching out through the length of the leg. Again, just 5 breaths. Okay. Draw the legs back in, grab hold of the opposite knee, keep it close to the chest, don't let that distance change. Slide out the leg, reach out through the leg, let the leg rest on the floor. Keep reaching out, 5 breaths. Drawing back in, double knee hug. Take the leg one at a time to the floor. Just rest for a few breaths. And then check back in for the next progression.